Which is correct? Number 1. His research, the study of plants. Basis of, based of, is based on, is based of. What's the best answer? C, is based on. Number 2. Our company, Italy, is based in, is based to, is based by, is based with. The best answer is A, is based in. Number 3. My theory, scientific research. Basis about, based upon, is basis upon, is based on. The best answer is D, is based on. 4. Her knowledge, years of experience. Based on, is based from, are based in, is based on. The best answer is D, is based on. Number 5. What do you base your conclusion? Base your conclusion on. Based your conclusion on. Basing your conclusion on. The best answer is B, base your conclusion on.